31 Online Dating Tips. Choose the right platform. Select a dating app or website that aligns with your preferences and intentions. Create an authentic profile. Be honest and genuine in your profile to attract like-minded individuals. Use high-quality photos. Upload clear and flattering photos that accurately represent yourself. Write a compelling bio. Craft a captivating bio that highlights your interests, personality, and what you're looking for. Be selective. Don't feel pressure to swipe or match with everyone. Be selective and focus on quality over quantity. Initiate conversation. Take the initiative to start conversations with matches you're interested in. Personalize messages. Avoid generic openers and personalize your messages based on the person's profile. Ask questions. Show genuine interest by asking questions and getting to know your matches better. Be respectful. Treat others with respect and kindness, even if you're not interested in pursuing a connection. Set boundaries. Establish clear boundaries and communicate them early on to avoid misunderstandings. Stay safe. Protect your personal information and exercise caution when meeting someone for the first time. Trust your instincts. If something feels off or uncomfortable, trust your instincts and proceed with caution. Have realistic expectations. Understand that not every match will lead to a meaningful connection, and that's okay. Take breaks. Don't hesitate to take breaks from online dating if you're feeling overwhelmed or burnt out. Be patient. Building connections takes time, so be patient and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Be yourself. Authenticity is key, so stay true to yourself and don't try to be someone you're not. Show your personality. Let your personality shine through in your conversations and interactions. Keep an open mind. Be open to meeting people from different backgrounds and with diverse interests. Be honest. Avoid misleading or deceptive behavior, and always be honest with your intentions. Stay positive. Maintain a positive attitude and approach online dating as an opportunity to meet new people and learn about yourself. Don't rely solely on texting. Move conversations offline and schedule in-person or video dates to get to know each other better. Respect boundaries. Respect your match's boundaries and comfort levels, and don't pressure them into anything they're not comfortable with. Be clear about what you want. Communicate your intentions and what you're looking for in a relationship up front. Listen actively. Practice active listening and show genuine interest in what your matches have to say. Be open to feedback. Be open to receiving feedback from matches and using it as an opportunity for self-improvement. Be open to feedback. Be open to receiving feedback from matches and using it as an opportunity for self-improvement. Don't take rejection personally. Understand that rejection is a natural part of the dating process and doesn't reflect your worth as a person. Have fun. Approach online dating with a sense of fun and adventure, and enjoy the experience of meeting new people. Balance online and offline interactions. Find a balance between online interactions and real-life connections to build meaningful relationships. Learn from each experience. Use each online dating experience as an opportunity to learn more about yourself and what you're looking for in a partner. Stay true to yourself. Ultimately, stay true to yourself and your values throughout the online dating journey. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.